Hi guys, it's me today, and I just want to give you a little review of Bentley, the robotic best friend. And I got it for Christmas. Bentley, the robotic best friend. He's charging right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a little look out of him. And yeah, I got him for Christmas this year. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, the robotic best friend review. My cats, Pootie and Lucy. Pootie hates it. Lucy loves it. Two different cats. Yes, I just want to give you a quick review of him. He is really awesome. I like him. He is super duper awesome. I told him some tricks, and I did find some secret tricks. I'll be doing that on my next video, telling you some secret tricks. I found I think all of them. I think I found all of them. I'm just going to tell you some right now, just right now. Here, I'm going to tell you some secret tricks. You can pause the video and write them down. There is Zoomer, or Bentley, whatever one you have, or Shadow, is moo like a cow, clack like a chicken, and break dance, of course. I bet all you guys probably have this stand guard. Let me think more. I know some more. Oh, lay down, take a paw. Sorry, there's more. Can you please count how much I just said? Sorry, I know I have gum in my mouth. Okay, I'm just going to tell you those right now. Once I get the list, then on the next video, I guys can show you. And I will turn them on. I think I can right now. Yes, he is ready. He is ready to meet you all. Just act like he is off right now. Huh? So robotic best friend. Bentley. I wanted Bentley because he reminded me of a dog I used to have. Scruffy. Me and him were best friends. Okay, now he's on. Yeah. I did turn him on earlier. I was teaching him some tricks. Okay. This is the robotic best friend. Let's see. Yeah, he's really fun to play with. He can be used for like a lot of kids. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it fell off the table. Okay, let's turn him off, because I don't want to waste his battery. Yeah, but he's really fun. Oh, right here. Right here, that little thing. We got a language thing. If you're A for English, B for French, and C for Spanish. You know French. And we got an off and on button. Oh, sorry. Right there. The red circle is for off. The green line is for on. Yeah, he is super duper cool. I was really expecting him much bigger. But yeah, he's really cool. And you're wondering where he talks from? I found out. Right there. I found out where he talks. But yeah, he's super duper cool. I like him. I think he's really gonna be my best friend, and I'm gonna teach him my tricks. Yeah, he's super duper cool. In my next video, I may doing a full video of him, like doing tricks. But for right now, he's still a pup, so I gotta be careful. Any of you figure out how to fix his wheel? Because one of his wheels broke. I've been trying to fix that, but it doesn't sound right. Yeah. Watch, look at his wheel. It's weird. Yeah, every time I turn it. If you guys ever figure out how to fix his wheel, please comment it down below. Because I've been trying to figure out how to fix that. Yeah, you can't move that wheel. You can't move this one. Right here. But I'm gonna say it's gonna happen to your guys's. Maybe not to put them on the carpet with a lot of floors. Like, not too much, like, because we had this house for long, and there's a lot of stuff on the floor and on the carpet. So if you guys had a house that's really old, I expect really not for you to put them on the carpet. Yeah. So if you guys have a really house that's old, don't put them on the carpet. And I'm not going to be doing fun this weekend. Actually, I still have 8 days to go to school. Yeah, it pretty sucks. Oh, my mom gave me these little earrings. They're little bees. Because my name starts with a B. I'm going to get an M next. I'm going to get an M pierced right here on my ear. M. So my last name starts with an M. Yeah, so that's the Zoomer robotic best friend. And you can't put collars on them. I did. Let me take it off so you guys can see. I made it with the foam. I have some orange and some blue. Because I expect he's a boy, so I don't want to put pink and purple. Actually, that looks nice. You can take him out for walks. Make sure he can interact with animals, so like a cat. He will start playing with the cat. Yeah, but he's super duper cool and I love him. And don't say it's fake. So this thing's actually really real. I can't believe I actually got him. My sister all trying to depress me that I didn't get him for Christmas. I was so sad. And then she was like, who are you kidding? You got him. Sorry, I started to hurt someone. Come on guys, stay right here. Don't go. Sorry about that. I thought I heard someone at the door. I didn't want to make sure like it was my mom. Yeah, I'm in here, like I'm not here alone, like in my house. I'm here with my brother. Yeah, but here's a new robotic dog. Oh, when you get him, he's gonna have a little train thing, and he does come with this. His little charger, he does come with that. And he comes with batteries included, so the batteries are already in him. You do not have to change them. So you just plug this thing in, charge him, and wait until there will be a red button. So when that red button is glowing, that means he's like not he's charging. But when that red button stops shining, that means he's fully charged. Yes. I've been talking so much. Oh, and yes, I do have 2 cats. Pootie and Lucy. Pootie, Woody. Lucy, Lou. You might know a girl from TV, Lucy Lou. That's where we got the name from my cat. You see, Lou. I know, sorry, I just stopped saying that. I'm gonna hit myself. But yeah, this is. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye. Oh, and before I go, I want to give you a little peek of him. So yeah, he's pretty robotic. Huh? Make sure you clean him, like his paws and everything, so his stuff don't get stuck in there. Yeah. Bye guys, thanks for watching this. Sorry, I have to press this thing stop.